Hello people, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss a very basic thing. One is address bus and second is data bus. So what do you mean by address bus and data bus? You need to understand that whenever we are speaking bus in terms of electrical engineering or in terms of electronics engineering, a bus is nothing but a wire that carries the charge. But you have heard that in computer only understands ones and zeros. So what do you mean by charge that carried by the bus? So you need to understand here that in wire or in bus, not ones and zeros are flowing, right? It's not happening, right? Currently, if you speak, practically if you speak, it cannot happen. One and zeros cannot flow. All the things are charge. Charge can flow. Charge, that means electrons. Electrons can flow from one place to other place. So if your electron is flowing from one end to other end, that means you are sending one. If electron is not flowing from one end to other end, that means you are sending zero. This is how computer recognizes ones and zeros. There is not one and zeros flowing inside the wires, right? So understand, address bus and data bus, they are just bunch of wires in which electrons are flowing. If you are sending one, that means you are allowing your electron to flow from this end to other end. Now, why they are given name address bus and data bus? So understand, there are two things in any computer, in any processor or controller. One is address and second is data. There are memories, RAM, ROM. On memories there are specific addresses. On each addresses there are some data present, and all the data and all the addresses are nothing but ones and zeros. So you need to understand that whether you are dealing with address or data, right? Because all of them are nothing but ones and zeros. You cannot understand whether it is data or address. So to distinguish whether it is data or address, you are giving them a separate lines so that you or processor can understand that you currently are dealing with the data, currently you are dealing with the address. And just to make it very clear, they have provided two kind of buses. One is your address bus and second is data bus. Address bus carries address and data bus carries data. Now in 8085 and 8051, the size of address bus is 16 and the size of data bus is 8. That means there are 8 wires and 16 wires. 8 wires for data and 16 wires for address. I hope with this explanation all of your doubt about the address bus and data bus is clear. Still, if you have any doubts, put those doubts in the comment box. I would be very much happy to answer them all, and keep supporting the channel guys for upcoming videos. Thank you.